Is this camera better than the latest GoPro? Today, we're diving into the world of action cameras, battling hurricanes, more like drizzles, and tornadoes, with winds strong enough that could blow up your sandwich. Is this the GoPro's nemesis? Greetings and welcome to Stormino's Lab, where I dissect every gadget that doesn't run away from me. Today, we're peering into the ring to see if we've got a real contender to the GoPro Heroes heavyweight crown. Hold on to your action-packed seats because we're unboxing the DJI Osmo Action 4. Let's do the unboxing. Now, inside this box, we've got the camera, a box with accessories, and some candy. Now, in this box, which is basically your camera's BFF, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable with a mounting screw. That's what we have here. And also the user manual made out of paper. Again. In the end, I will tell you what I like and what I don't like about this camera. So stay tuned. So, after you turn this puppy on, you will have a little dance with the DJI Mimo app. Because no, it's not on Google Play, but you can download it from the DJI website. But hey, it's all worth it, because this app is smoother than a perfectly executed skateboard trick.
How?
You can control everything from your phone. The camera films in 4K 120 frames per second. Stunning views indeed, as opposed to the drone that I bought for $3, which you can see in the last video if you want. It has a 155 degrees ultra-wide angle. It also has a 360 degrees horizon steady, which corrects the horizontal tilts at any angle, doesn't matter how many times you turn upside down. Now, the most important thing about this camera is that it has a bigger sensor which promises better low light images. For all you aspiring Atlanteans out there, the Action Camera 4 can dive as deep as 18 meters. But if you're more of a winter warrior, this camera can film down to minus 20 degrees Celsius for up to 2 hours. Just don't take it to Siberia. Battery life? About 2.5 hours of action-packed awesomeness. And it juices up in just 18 minutes. Enough time to watch a tech tutorial, learn advanced origami, and call your grandma. Now, the Stormino's Special Edition! Alright folks, now it's time for the ultimate showdown! Watch me bike through the city. Now I'm on a scooter, defying physics at over 20 miles per hour. Hold my energy drink. And here it comes the epic moment. I'm staying at the towering height of 2 meters. Just one wrong move, and I could be taking a nap in the bushes. Ducks, be aware I'm infiltrating your sketchy park. Behold the most advanced swing on Earth. Danger level exhilarating. Now we judge without mercy. What I like about this camera is the battery life considerably outpaces its closest competitors, but it doesn't outpace its predecessor. While wide angles are a staple in action cameras, the Osmo Action 4 boasts significantly less distortion. Low light performance, whether you're diving into the ocean's depths or you're just going out during twilight, this camera delivers. The Osmo Action 4's low light capabilities are exceptional, ensuring clarity even in the most challenging lighting conditions. Next, bad news. The focus, I don't know, maybe I wasn't holding it far enough, or maybe it was my mistake, but it happened like 2 or 3 times to lose focus. Now, the image quality is great, but it's not as good as the GoPro one, especially when it comes to exposure. But when it comes to colors, I believe this one is better. Ladies and gentlemen, after facing storms, ducks, daredevil stunts, it's time for the ultimate tech verdict. Did the DJI Osmo Action 4 knock GoPro Hero off its pedestal? I've seen the future, and the Osmo Action 4 comes out on top. So, grab your popcorn and your skateboard, stay tuned for more tech insanity, and remember, keep calm and tech on. And there you have it. Now don't forget to smash the like button, ring the notification bell, and subscribe to this awesome channel. If you have any feedback, want me to test other gadgets, or just want to say something, drop a comment down below. And also, you might want to check our last video, which is right here.